Hello lovelies, welcome and welcome back to UZL TV. I hope you guys are doing great. If you are looking to boost your energy, support your skin health or enhance your libido, then you are in for a big treat in today's video because I've got 7 delicious and nutritious juice recipes for you that would help you reach your health goal. These recipes are packed full with vitamin C and antioxidants that would help boost your immune health. And if you are looking for something a little bit exotic, I will show you how to make a sultry sangria juice that is inspired by the popular cocktail. The difference here is that ours is without alcohol. We've got rich ingredients that would help achieve that taste. And so if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then get up, grab your juicer or your blender and let's go make this juice together. The first juice is what I like to call love potion. We've got 2 cups of cranberries, 4 carrots, 1 apple, 1-inch ginger, and half a pineapple. These ingredients have been cleansed and washed off camera, but because these ingredients are going to be juiced, I did not peel the skin of the carrots. Neither am I, making the peels of the pineapple so smooth, because some of the thorns you find in pineapple is actually nutritious. So as we juice it, we want to drain all of the bromelain that we can find in pineapple. So this juice contains nitrates that are converted to nitric oxide in the body, which helps to increase blood flow and may also enhance sexual function. The ginger here helps to increase blood circulation, while the carrots and the apple add a touch of sweetness and extra nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamin C, of course. The pineapple, bromelain, which is believed to enhance libido. And this is actually very beneficial for both males and for females. So for majority of the juices, in fact, I think all of the juices, I am going to be using my juicer. If you do have a blender, go ahead and use your blender. All you need to do is to add a little liquid in there, which is water of course, and blend. And once you're done blending, you can strain and extract the juice from the strainer. And the next juice is what I like to call tropical temptation. We've got 1 bunch of romaine lettuce. We're going to be using half of a pineapple from the previous recipe, and we're also going to be using 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, and 1 inch of ginger. Our next juice is what I like to call zesty sunrise. Although we are still in the winter months, but we are hopeful that the sun will start shining very soon in the coming months. But before then, we can start giving our body a little bit of sunshine. So in here, we've got 4 oranges, we've got 4 grapefruits, we've got lemon, 4 of it, and also carrots and ginger. I've got 3 carrots here and 1/2-inch ginger. The next is what I like to call green goddess, because you want to consume all of your greens, especially if you do not like chewing them. This is another good way to consume it. It tastes so good. And in here we've got spinach, about 2 cups. So in order for me to just measure 2 cups, I just use my hand, a handful as a cup, and so it's easier that way instead of trying to get the right measurement of a cup. So 2 cups of spinach, 2 cucumbers. I've got a very big cucumber here. This is even more than 2 cucumbers, but it's ideal for this recipe. So if you've got something as this, be sure to use it. And I've got 2 apples, 1 lemon, and of course an inch of ginger. The next is what I like to call sultry sangria, and we've got 2 cups of red grapes here, 1 cucumber, 2 medium apples, an inch of ginger, and 1 lemon. This is in line with the last recipe. I've captioned it Radiant Glow, because when you take this juice, the reflection on your skin is just going to be awesome, especially if you stick with this for the long run. I've got 8 carrots in there. We've got oranges, we've got lemon. I used 4 oranges, 1 lemon, and of course an inch or 2 of ginger. This is guaranteed to give you a glowing skin because we've got beta carotene from the carrots and we've got vitamin C from oranges and lemon, which helps to increase glutathione levels in the body and also helps to increase vitamin A in the body, which is also pretty much retinol and which we apply on the skin topically. So for the new moms out there or pregnant women who cannot use retinol on the skin, this is just another way to increase the levels in the body, and of course whatever you feed the body glows from the outside. So this is one of my go-tos every week. So there you have it, 7 different delicious and healthy juice recipes for you for the week. You can choose to batch create these juices, or you can prep the ingredients and you can juice on the go, whatever works for you. But these are healthy options that you can incorporate in your weekly lifestyle or weekly routine. I want you to realize that juicing is just a part of healthy living, and it's a good way actually to digest some of the fruits and veggies that are good for the body. However, it is not the only option in living a healthy lifestyle. So other things like exercising, getting a good night's sleep, eating the right amount of foods as well, all of those are essential for optimal health. So make sure you don't neglect other areas of healthy living and focus just on the juicing, but add this as a way of supporting your overall health and well-being. So whether you're looking to lose weight, whether you're looking to enhance libido, or simply boosting your energy for a day-to-day life, these recipes are guaranteed to give you the results you're looking for. Tell me in the comment section which one of these juices are your favorites. I think I do know which is mine and I can't wait to make more and more and more of it. And also let me know if you like videos like this so that I can continue to make more content that suits your needs. And until I come your way next time, folks, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.